Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Collectiv, and today I want to share with you the key influencer visual that is available for Power BI. What's really cool about this visual is this visual was one of the first AI visuals that Microsoft had rolled out. And this visual, what this tells you is what influences the metric that you're looking at. And so with that, let's just dive right in. First, I do kind of want to explain the data set that we'll be looking at when we're looking at this key influencer visual. And now what we see in front of us is a data set that I pulled from Zillow that looks at the home value over the month and year. Stop. Now what this data set tells you is the value of the home by month and by year over the last 20 years for each state, for each type of housing, and for each country, county, so on and so forth. And so in order to use this visualization, you can actually see it over here on the right, and it has these three lines with circles at the end, and it's called key influencers. When we go and add that to the dashboard, this visual sort of acts like a normal visual in which when you click on it, drag the corner out and around, it acts as a normal visual. You can also filter it and it'll change dynamically and in real time. But what this visual really tells you is how something influences the metric. And so right now, let's look at how maybe the type of home influences the home value over the time span that we're looking at. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click value. And so right here, it's defaulted and said what influences the home value to increase. And then in order to break it down by the type of home, we're going to click type. And so now we have two visualizations, a line that tells you sort of the average of the value that the value increases by, and then sort of how these different home types compare side by side to one another. And to sort of clarify what we do have going on here is what this is telling you, this circle, is that when the home type is a 5-bedroom, the average value is $147,000 more than the average value of the other types. And so what this circle really tells you is that when a home is a 5-bedroom home, the average is $147,000 more compared to other home types, and that this influencer contains approximately 14% of the total sample size. Another way that we can use this visual is if we actually go up here, we can actually see what influences the home value to decrease. And so now it's going to tell you we're looking at the 2-bedroom and the 1-bedroom. And so similarly, we can click on both of them and it's going to change the graph depending on what you've selected. And this is telling you that when the home value is when the home is a 2-bedroom, the average value is $76,000 less compared to other types of homes, and that this also makes up 16% of the total sample size that we're looking at today. And that really sums up the key influencer visual